If your CCTV DVR not recording, or you have the problem in your hard disk in DVR, or you want to change your hard drive in your DVR, how you can change, open and replace the hard drive, and then schedule the recording or settings, how you can do the recording setup in DVR, all everything you can get in this video. So we will change the hard drive. I will put this laptop hard drive, the small hard drive, in this DVR. Normally this one is the using the big hard drive, because of the space I use this one 500 GB. Please can 30 days recording I can save in 500 GB. We will open and see how we can change the hard drive. So this hard disk got 4 screw, also you open. That's why not enough space to recording even 1 week. So that's why I'm changing the hard disk different, because I don't want to buy. I have the very old laptop, so I take out from the laptop this 500 GB, so I can use in this DVR. After fixing hard drive, now connect your DVR to any monitor. You can see the option format disk. Now it's automatically formatting the disk. Now click the main menu. Add your password if you have. I don't have any password, so I click OK. Then go to the menu and then now click the advanced. Select the HDD menu. Now you can see here the 465.76 GB hard drive is already available. If you want to format your hard drive, you click the format disk and then click OK, because I want to format this hard drive. You can see format has finished. Click OK. Now cancel. Now click the recording, then click recording configuration. Now this is the recording setup. You have to turn off your DVR and then link your cameras and then enjoy your recordings in your DVR. So we link ready our CCTVs. Now you can see all the CCTV is running. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.